Greetings geeks, this is Rose with GeekToMeCrafts. Today I have a walkthrough with you at Dick's Five and Dime in Branson, Missouri. At Geek to Me, I help you source affordable craft supplies as well as provide tutorials and DIYs. Please hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any. So right here, they had a really great collection of some classic cookie cutters and molds. Now, you can use those molds for all kinds of things like rosin, as well as cooking. They also had a ton of right dies, which is really cool. There's some more molds. This Five and Dime in Branson is really old. It's been there for a super long time, and they had so many craft supplies and kits and just some amazing things. It's a huge tourist attraction, so if you ever go to Branson, make sure that you hit it up. They had these really cute DIY miniature houses. Couldn't get over how cute they were. So adorable. There's my finger so you can kind of get an idea of how small it was. Right here they had doll stands, all kinds of bells, wax warmers, picture frame stands, glass bottles. And these are craft kits for kids. They had all of the jewelry ones. Really, really fun. Making erasers, making soap, bath bombs, blow pin art, science kits. Gotta love that STEM stuff. STEM is a trend in education right now. Science, technology, education, and math. Sometimes they throw the A in there to make it STEAM for art. I could not believe how many embroidery patterns they had. It was an entire aisle just by itself. There's embroidery thread and hoops, fabric paint, those carpet crafts. I've never done those. Comment below, let me know if you've done them, or like in my case, every time I would go to like my, grandma's house, she would always have like an old school one there from the 60s or 70s. Right, just kind of scanning through here. They had tons of Chief stuff. There's more embroidery kits. That little camper was super cute. This is the kind of thread that I use to make some of my crochet earrings. They also had needles, more Chief stuff, lace, yarn. So many different kinds of yarn: cotton yarn, fuzzy yarn, thick yarn, thin yarn. They did have a lot of the Red Heart brand. There's all kinds of knitting needles up there, including the ones where you can knit in the round. And obviously you can get a better deal on that at a craft store with a coupon, but you're in Branson, and if you just need something to do, here you go. They even had more up there. The day we went, it was super busy. There were so many people waiting outside. All the aisles were very, very crowded. I was lucky to even get in here and do any filming. Right here they have all of their Bible supplies, highlighters, pens, cases, and then I almost bought one of these. They had a calligraphy kit, a watercolor kit, a pencil drawing kit, all kinds of pens, magnifying sheets. All right, I also almost got one of these pens. Uh-oh, I dropped it. So, Splendid pen. It's a fountain pen, and it comes with the cartridges in different colors down below. That's what those tiny boxes are in the spinning thing. And then all kinds of other markers, Crayola stuff, Crayola kits. Oh, a marker maker. I'm going to link some Crayola links down below. Make sure you check those out. They are an affiliate of mine and absolutely love them. Oh, look at these macaroon erasers. So cute. Color pencils, pens, stickers, sparkle station. How fun. wow, those were really cheap calendars. And remember, you can always take the pictures out of calendars and do different things with those. You can put them in frames, you can Mod Podge them onto things. You don't have to just make it a calendar. And again, I almost ended up with one of these kits. I couldn't decide which one, and so I just didn't. But there's brush pens, there's paint, there's gel pens. I just was so overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that they had here. A calligraphy duo kit, smelly markers. It was so much fun when I was in school and my teacher would let us do projects with her smelly markers. Okay, so right here we have journals. These are supplies for marking up books and other things. There's a cork board, frames, sticky notes. That was so cute. A little mini office. Has a stapler and a tape dispenser and all kinds of cute stuff in there. So many office supplies. Love it. Okay, so here's the buttons and zippers. All different colors and lengths. I love those zippers. They come with easy instructions on the back. And then bias tape galore. Where was this when we were making masks? They even had thread. This was the Coats brand. You can get this generally at other craft stores as well, but they did have a fully stocked section. I couldn't find a price, so I ended up not getting any, but I was very, very close to purchasing this clear thread right here. I use that in some of my quilting when I don't want the quilt thread to show up as much as the piecing or the panel itself. Some new scissors. And every crafter knows you have multiple pairs of scissors for different things, and you better not use those fabric scissors on paper. Here's some other just fun, cute things. Tape, needles, seam rippers, and other notions. Up top they had sewing kits, sewing baskets, little buttons. There's those carpet crafts, simple knitting kits, and then the button tray. So if you enjoyed this, please leave me a comment below, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my other trips.